Hello everyone, welcome to my video, and in today's video I'm going to be proving sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We might have seen this identity in many places, and in this video I'm going to show you why it is equal to 1. So if I consider a right angle triangle over here, and this is theta, we know that the side that is opposite to the right angle is known as the hypotenuse, and the side opposite to the theta is known as the perpendicular. And this side over here, which is common to the theta and the right angle, is known as the base or adjacent. So we know that sine theta is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. This is standard. You have to remember these, you have to memorize these, that these are used everywhere. And cos theta is equal to base over hypotenuse. So we know these from the beginning, from whenever we started doing maths. So simply I'm going to substitute these values over here. So we're going to get perpendicular h square plus base over, sorry, I'm frequently saying h, this is hypotenuse. So now what we're going to do is, we remember that whenever it's ab over square, we can easily write it to a square over b square. So this is rough work, all of this is rough work. So I can write it as is equal to perpendicular square over hypotenuse square plus base square over h square. So I can take LCM over here, I'm going to get h square. Then we have perpendicular square plus base square. Now from the Pythagoras theorem, which is a very famous theorem and people love that theorem as well. So we know that from the Pythagoras theorem, p square, perpendicular square, my bad, plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. So what I can do is, I can simply write that perpendicular square plus base square is hypotenuse square, and these two are going to get cancelled out, the denominator and the numerator, and we're going to be left with 1. So hey, I just proved it. Like I said, so what did I do? Simply I substituted these values of the sine square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse plus base over hypotenuse. And simply after that we did simple math, we did cancellation, as well as we did substitution. Like we substituted the value of perpendicular square over plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. So we did you can say multiple steps, different ways to compute and stuff, and how we simplified everything. And yes, so this is maths, it's basic, it's fun, and yes, and at the end everything works out, and there's nothing that is made out of thin air. It's simple math, and people have worked really hard to come up with these techniques, as well as you can say theorems and stuff. So yes, so yep, this is my video with a bit of motivational talk that might motivate you to study further, and might also motivate me to make more videos. So yes, that's it. So do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.